Breathlessness is the #1 complaint and fear of those with COPD, but it is not harmful. That's the message I really want you to hear. Granted, it's uncomfortable and it can be frightening, but it's not dangerous.
I got emphysema. Symptoms is coughing, severe shortness of breath.
3 years ago, they only gave me 2 hours to live. And I'm still here. You know, I'm strong in myself. It's just that my breathing is, and that kills me.
When he wakes up in the night and he can't breathe, then I do panic a bit, but I know he knows what to do.
With the panic attacks, the first thing, obviously you're struggling for breath. You become very hot, very panicky, and why, I don't know, but the shoulders freeze, they go up.
When you're feeling anxious and breathing fast, what happens is that you tense up, tighten your shoulders and take in small, fast gasps of air. You're breathing with these muscles here and they get tired pretty quickly. They're rather inefficient muscles for breathing. You don't actually take much air into your lungs. You still feel breathless, and the result can be that you feel lightheaded and panicky. If you can practice breathing from lower down in your chest, using your diaphragm, you can feel it here under your hand. You'll be more relaxed and be able to breathe more deeply and efficiently.
Roll the shoulders, allow your top section to relax, keep the back straight, keep the airways open, don't drop your chin. In through the nose and out through the mouth slowly.
In through the nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. They taught me that and I've never forgotten it.
I was also given lorazepam to take 0.5 mils with the panic attacks. In the beginning, I don't need it any longer because I now control it myself. It's all about educating yourself.
Combine slow breathing with breathing from down here rather than up here, and then you're well on the way to taking control of your breathing rather than your breathing ruling you.
When I actually do something and I'm really out of breath, I sit down for about a minute, 2 minutes, and I'm back to normal then. You just got to get used to it and do not let it get you down. That's the main thing.
Breathing techniques are so important. If you can master these, COPD is manageable.